Hi folks, this is Hira Babu and you're watching programmingseed.com on YouTube. So we are going to learn a new questions that Java developer generally got struck in the interview room, right? So what is the question? Question is what is the return type of the hashCode method in the object class? So we know object class in the lang package because lang package is the default package and default package makes object class as a default, right? We do not need to import, right? So every class has to extend internally the object class. So we will see the return type. So generally the question, the interviewer will give you some return type like object, integer, long, int, long, and void, right? You have to find out which one is this, right? So as we know, we have lang package, and we will see in the code how it returns the value, right? Let's come to the Eclipse. So here we are in the Eclipse and we can see that we have a very simple class, and I'm going to override the parent class data, right? The parent class we have, these methods we have, so I'm going to override hashCode, right? So see, you can see now here that we have return type integer in the hashCode method, right? So your answers would be integer, int, right?